Hey, crypto enthusiasts and future financial wizards. Welcome back to Matrix Hacks, the ultimate destination for unlocking the secrets of wealth, investment, and financial freedom. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for the latest tips on building your financial empire. Picture this, a world where your money isn't confined to banks or governments. It's digital, it's decentralized, and it's entirely in your control. That's the captivating universe of cryptocurrency, and today, we're embarking on a thrilling journey to demystify it. Let's begin with the fundamentals. What is cryptocurrency? In simple terms, it's digital or virtual money secured by cryptographic technology. But it's much more than that. It's a groundbreaking technology. Cryptocurrencies are like the gold of the digital age, a store of value, a medium of exchange, and a revolutionary concept that could reshape our world. Next, we'll dive into how cryptocurrency operates. At its core, it's built upon something called blockchain technology. Think of blockchain as an open ledger that records all crypto transactions. It's transparent, tamper-proof, and maintained by a decentralized network of computers, guaranteeing trust and security. Now let's explore the exciting realm of different cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and many more. Each cryptocurrency serves a distinct purpose. Bitcoin is often referred to as digital gold, Ethereum as a platform for smart contracts, and Ripple for efficient international payments. The choices are endless. Ready to possess some crypto? Let's delve into how to purchase it. First and foremost, you'll need a digital wallet. Digital wallets are like your bank accounts, but for cryptocurrencies. You can choose from hardware wallets, software wallets, and mobile apps. Each has its benefits and drawbacks. Once you've got a wallet, you'll need a cryptocurrency exchange to buy, sell, and trade. There are numerous exchanges available: Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken, to name a few. Remember to research to find the one that suits your needs. Security is paramount in the crypto world. Let's discuss how to keep your investments safe. Utilize two-factor authentication, store your assets in secure hardware wallets, and be vigilant against phishing scams. Safeguard your investments wisely, as they are your responsibility. Cryptocurrency is renowned for its price volatility. It's like a thrilling roller coaster ride. Be prepared for these ups and downs, and avoid investing money you can't afford to lose. Emotional stability is crucial in the crypto world. Staying informed is vital in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency. Follow cryptocurrency news sites, participate in forums, and connect with influencers on social media. The more you know, the better your decisions will be. Beyond investing, you can use cryptocurrency for various purposes. Some businesses accept cryptocurrency as a form of payment. It's also an excellent tool for cross-border remittances and supporting causes you care about. The potential applications are boundless. Lastly, let's discuss the regulations and taxes surrounding cryptocurrency. Regulations differ from one country to another. It's crucial to comprehend the rules and regulations in your region and track your transactions for tax purposes. Cryptocurrency regulations are evolving, so staying up to date is essential. There you have it, an all-encompassing beginner's guide to cryptocurrency for 2023. You're now armed with the knowledge to begin your crypto journey. Keep in mind, the world of crypto is full of potential, but it also carries risks. Make informed decisions, invest responsibly, and keep learning. Before we wrap up, share your thoughts in the comments if you've already ventured into the world of cryptocurrency, or if you're planning to. We'd love to hear your experiences and questions. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more financial insights and updates. In the world of cryptocurrency, the only constant is change. Stay curious, stay vigilant, and let's ride the crypto wave together.